Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Um, uh, Both of my cats that died, their anniversaries are like not far from each other. The dates of their deaths, but the years were different. Now, whenever that time comes each year, um, the months in which they died, it is such torture to think about the times. I mean, my belief is that Allah has decided the time of death for every creature. It has to happen on that day. But the way they die, so the way my cats died, they paid a very heavy price. Partly because of my negligence and a lot of burden that a cat's doctor, a vet, carries on his shoulders, I believe. Because when we see, we notice anything different or wrong in our cat's behavior, and we feel that something is wrong, we should take them to a vet or like get their checkup done. And the vet does not guide us, or he fails to diagnose the reason, and due to that the suffering that occurs in such an innocent creature, a cat. Cats are respected in Islam like anything. They have been given respect by our messengers. So who the hell is a vet to make a cat's life miserable? My experience with vets have been quite scary. Whenever that time comes, their death dates are nearby. Whenever that month comes every year, I feel the same, pain. It's a it's something I don't want any cat owner to go through, because Allah has not allowed a vet to play with the lives of cats. But it happened with me. They so I'm just saying that they ruined my lives actually by killing my cats. They ruined my life, and I have never been able to forgive myself. Never. No matter how much I cry, I cannot forgive myself for the negligence that occurred on my part, on the vet's part. One of my cats, they failed to operate the cat correctly. Like the vet said that my cat requires a surgery. Then they made me sign a paper that they are not responsible. I don't know why the hell. When a vet operates, he is not responsible. Why the hell is he not responsible? So my cats, they're no more. But what about the torture that they went through? What about that? Who the hell are vets to decide the death of any cat? May my cats forgive me on the day of judgment, and so does Allah. Thank you.